Yo, this is another unboxing review. This time it's the Snow Machine Snowflake Making Machine, 800 watts artificial. That's the box it came with. It came in, and that's the box inside the box. So yeah, and then this is what it looks like. Boom. All I had to do was put the handles, and then it came with a remote controller, the trigger button, the power cord to turn on. You can see the back there. There's the on and off switch. You can control that way. I had to test it outside because it was making a loud noise. So here's what it sounds like. And as you can see, that's what I believe it looks when it goes in the ground. It becomes like liquid already. Unless I'm doing something wrong, I believe I am. I don't know if the liquid wasn't too much or it's just going straight down. So of course it's gonna hit on the ground quicker and dissolves. So, and that's why, as you can see in this video, I put it on the plants and then higher range, and then you can see it left a couple in the plant. I can't wait to use this during Christmas time for outside. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.